You got me looking at my watch every minute. Yeah, because I'm waiting on you. I said I'm waiting on you. Make a move. I'm waiting on you.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a chit chat get ready with me, and I'm going to talk to you guys about everything that's been happening so far this year. So as you guys can see, I have my new setup. My room has been redecorated and it took me a lot less time than I thought it was gonna take. So I finally got my phone room set up. I told you guys, I think it was like the end of last year, that I wanted to do this, that I was so tired and bored of the old thing that I had going on. I just had that white backdrop up and I was just really bored of it. So I was like, they probably are so like sick of this white fur backdrop. So I want to do something different. I love everything that I have going on. It's very minimalistic. I think that over, the course of this year, I'll probably add some things like some different color pillows. Just switch it up. I'm always going to be trying to improve it, but I'm pretty satisfied with this. Like, I love it. It's everything that I was envisioning. And I think it just gives a cozier look to the video. I know a lot of people say they like the cozy feel of videos, and I definitely agree. I love when I watch a YouTube video and they're like in their room or in a room like this. I can't film in my bedroom because there's not a lot of space, and fortunately I do have a extra room. When my parents have an extra room that I can use to film my videos. Said I wanted it done by March, and it's February and I already have it done and everything. And a lot of my goals have been happening like that. I've been getting them done faster than what I thought, and I'm super happy about that. I also redecorated my bedroom and it's almost where I want it to be. I want to add more pillows and maybe another nightstand. If you haven't seen that video, check that out. I'll leave it in a card up here. It's very empty feeling, so I do want to add more things. So of course I'm going to do that. But just over time, like, I'm not going to stress it. This was like a lot of work, a lot of time. Just as I see things, add things, but I'm not going to try to like do a whole HGTV makeover, so this is great for what it is right now. I love it, and like I said, over time I'm going to continue to add things. So like I was saying, I've been getting my goals done a lot faster. I told you guys in that one video, and the video I'm referencing, I'll leave it up in a card and down in the description box, but in that video about how I wanted to change things, like some of the goals that I had set, like I've already completed them faster than what I thought I was, which is like crazy. Like, I was not expecting to be, going this strong. Like, I was not expecting to be accomplishing my goals that fast. And that's why it's so important to like have a goal and set it and execute it. Usually I'm the type of person to be like, oh, I'm just gonna go with the flow. I'm just gonna, whenever I do it, I'm gonna do it. But I've been pushing myself harder to like write down a goal, have the goal, and complete the goal. Like this, like my whole entire room, buying the new camera, all that, I wrote it down. I said, okay, by this time I want to have this done. Like, by this time I want to have my camera, by this time I want to have the room done, and I actually completed it faster than what I had in mind. And I'm like really proud of myself for that. I had to put my lashes on off camera because I struggle. But anyway, I was talking about how I've just been getting things done, and it's like giving me so much motivation to keep going. So I just really think that this year is going to be a good year. I'm very optimistic. Now that I have like my minor goals out the way, I'm going to be working on some of my bigger ones that I'm just nervous about, because it's just something that I don't even know where to start, like, but I'm gonna take a leap of faith and just try it out and see how it works, and we'll see. But you guys will be hearing more about that coming soon, coming really soon. But let me know what you guys think about my new setup. Do y'all like it? Like, now because putting on my foundation is serious. Like it has to be perfect. Like I don't want to mess up my eyebrows when putting on my foundation. I want to make sure I put it on right. So I gotta focus. So moving on to the next topic. Everyone has been asking me, when are we gonna see babe? When are we gonna see your boyfriend? When are you gonna show him? When are y'all gonna do a video together? But the answer is, I don't know, because he left me and he's not in the country, but we're still together though. We're still together. He's overseas right now playing international professional basketball, and I really don't know when he's gonna come back. He has a contract and it doesn't go by like months or anything. He just told me the amount of games they have, and if they make it a playoffs or whatever, then it's like even longer that he has to stay. So that's why I don't know an exact date. He doesn't even know an exact date when he's coming back, so I don't know either. But yeah, he graduated from Columbus State and now he's playing professional basketball, and I'm super happy for him because that's really what he wanted to do, is go play pro. So yeah, we're still together. Everything's great. We talk every day. I'm sad, of course, like I miss him, but it is what it is. He's doing what he wants to do. He's following his dreams, and that's what I'm doing too. So at first, like, I was so sad, like just so sad. Like I cried so hard the day he left. But now he's been gone for about 3 months now, so I've gotten used to it, sort of. Like I miss him like crazy sometimes, but I've sort of gotten used to it. You know, we FaceTime, so it's not too bad. I know he's gonna come back, so that's how I just been getting through it. And hopefully this year, maybe I can travel with him some. This year it just was not, it wouldn't work out. It was his first year. He didn't really know what to expect, how everything works. So I just said, why don't you go see what it's like, try it out, see what the deal is, and then maybe I can come see you wherever you are, you know, next time he goes. He's hoping for a different country, so like in this situation, I am just going with the flow and seeing how things go. All this is so new. We've always been in a somewhat of a long distance relationship because he's not from Georgia. He lives out of state. He just came here for school. So I'm sort of like used to the time where he's gone, because like he would leave for the summer. He left for the summer when we were together like twice. So like this is not a new feeling for me. But you know, it is what it is. And I'm just figuring it out, going with the flow, seeing how every day goes. But hopefully we'll be doing some traveling together and I can vlog for you guys. You know, we'll see. Like I said, I'm just so optimistic about this year. I think it has like some really good things in store. I'm just super excited. I feel like I have a lot of good content ideas for this year that I'm just super excited to execute. Most videos that I have wanted to do so far, I've done them, but yeah, I'm always open to new ideas though, so always comment if you want me to do a certain video. Like I got a request to do a video showing how my hair was gonna revert. I thought that was like an interesting idea to see how my hair reverted after I got it silk pressed, so I decided to do that. Yeah, I'm always taking new ideas, and you never know, I might do one of your video ideas. All the products that I use in this video will be listed down below. I have so many new products that I'm using, and I love it. Like I've changed the way I do my makeup completely. I still do some of the techniques I used to, but only a few. Like everything else is like pretty new. Like I got so many new products. I just wanted to upgrade my makeup style. So, you know, I'm always looking for new makeup, and I'm always watching other YouTube videos, like makeup videos, because you can always improve. There's always room for improvement somewhere. So I love it, and I just love playing with makeup, so this is like fun to me. Speaking of makeup, this powder right here that I'm about to use, once I can get it opened, this Too Faced Born This Way setting powder is everything. Like, why didn't y'all tell me about this? Like, I don't know what I have been doing with that Sacha Buttercup powder. Like the Buttercup powder is still my everything, don't get me wrong, but this is like Buttercup powder on drugs. Like, this is crazy. Like, this is everything. And I have the one that is translucent medium, so the one that's for darker skin complexion, and putting this on my under eye has changed my life. So what I've been doing is taking the powder and using this brush, a setting brush from Real Techniques, and just like taking the powder and letting it soak into my skin. Like, not putting it on top, but just letting it set into my skin. The only time I'll let it sit on top is when I put it right on my nose to set that set the concealer that's on my nose. But other than that, just let it soak in, and my under eye, it's just like so smooth, and it just blends in my skin just so nicely. And I remember when the Mercier setting powder came out, the medium one, it was like a big thing maybe like 2 years ago, and I was like, I don't know if I want to try that, because I don't think a medium setting powder will look good on my under eye, because I like a bright under eye. But I was wrong. I was dead wrong. This is everything. Like, everything. It's not a overpowering bright pop like a Sacha Buttercup would be, or even the translucent one, but it's like a natural brightness on the under eye, and it looks so good. So good. And just letting it soak into the skin instead of sitting it on top and letting it bake just gives such a natural finish. It looks so good. And see, this is what I mean by letting it sit on top of the skin. So I'm taking my beauty blender and just letting it sit on top like this. And the only reason why I do this is to like give my nose that sharp contour look. When I do this, I immediately like brush it off, because I don't like the super baked look. It just looks too much to me, and it can become a little bit ashy like, so I don't let it sit for too long even when I do that. I'm still going to be using all 3 powders that I have, because every one offers something different than the other one. Like the translucent powder from Mercier, I love to still set underneath my cheeks for a super contour look. And I know this sounds weird, but I love the casty look that it gives when I wipe it away. I don't know if like cast is the word, but it does have a, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I just like the look that it gives. Like if I wanted a more natural look for my cheekbones or whatever, I would use the Born This Way powder. I would never use the Sacha Buttercup powder for this. Like I would never do that. It just I just don't think it will look too good. And then I immediately brush it off. I'm using the shade Zola from my Masquerade mini palette. And this look is just so cute and simple. Like, I feel like this is a springtime look, even though it's still winter. But you can do this like with any color just to add something cute, just like a little pop. I gotta speed it up because I gotta head out soon. So I'm just going to finish the rest of my makeup for you guys. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for sitting down and chit-chatting with me. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at christijae. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video.